Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 3rd of August to 9th of August, and you will see what are the guidance messages for you for the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So I got strength. Some inner healing is going on in your life. Might be, you are finding some truth about yourself or about the life. Spiritual connection. Let's see what is happening with my Sagittarius, please, from 3rd to 9th of August. Alright, so last shuffle. I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies, and then we will see what the universe has for you. At the back of the deck, it's the 7 of Cups. Some kind of confusion, something is going on, something huge. Okay, and you don't know how to find the answer for that thing. So your past energies are the Knight of Swords, the Moon and 2 of Cups. Yeah, emotionally hit. There is something, a deep connection with yourself or your soulmate, whatsoever this is. It's really, I'm seeing that your emotions were actually, you have listened to your emotions and you delivered your emotions to someone, and there was a connection started. A new bonding, a new connection is here with the Ace of Rods in the present, Ace of Rods, Knight of Pentacles and 9 of Swords. I'm really feeling that that's an energy where you expressed yourself, you expressed your emotions, whatever you were feeling for this person or whatever you were feeling for a situation, and it was a good connection and something started. It's starting. It has already started. I'm feeling that. But it has come to a hold, where now what? Now after that what? And there are some issues which have just started, some kind of problems, and you are in that position where you were the one who initiated this process, you were the one who started the situation, and it has come to a halt and you don't know what to do, because the 7 of Cups, a lot of confusion has started gathering up, and all your space in your mind has all the question marks are there in your mind. Your future energies are 7 of Wands, Ace of Pentacles and Ace of Rods. There's definitely this new beginning is going to become more clear, and you're getting some kind of clarity over here in your coming future, because you are demanding for this thing. Let's clarify now, what is this thing? Let's see. Let's see, what is the 7 of Cups over here? The World. Okay, what else do we have with the World? King of Swords. Okay, your feelings are very much mixed. I'm seeing over here there are mixed emotions, mixed feelings coming up in your mind, and you are just not ready to deal with the situation. Actually, you are in between some kind of process over here. Let's see, what is this King of Swords telling us? What is this King of Swords over here? What is this King of Swords? is it? Eight of Wands. Yeah. The confusion is because there is no communication. That is why your head is just full of communication. You're not able to communicate with the person with whom you shared your emotions with, and now you are becoming, your emotions are just like, what have I done? Have I proposed to some wrong person, or have I just opened my feelings to a wrong person, or a person or a situation? This is not right going on in my life. That is what you are thinking. Let's see, what is this Knight of Swords in your past energies? What is this Knight of Swords? What is this Knight of Swords? Two of Swords. Yeah, I'm getting it. Either it's you or them, but there was somebody who was not, who didn't decide, and you didn't decide what actually you want, and you just enter into a situation. That is what actually happened over here. You might be getting a lot of noise because it's raining really very heavily over here. And okay, so somebody entered in something, and you thought that it would be good, but there was a question mark that whether I should enter in this or not. Might be communication, might be a relationship, might be something else, but there was a question mark that should I invest my energy over here, really? So you were not sure while entering. What is this Moon card over here? What is this Moon? Why is the Moon over here? Page of Wands and the Hangman. See, it was actually looking really surprising, really enthusiastic kind of energy, but still you really had to think about it a little more longer. It's a place where you are not ready to enter into anything, but you are still thinking about it, but somehow you entered in it. Somehow, either it's you or them who was in this confusion. You decide. Why is this Two of Cups over here? Four of Wands, because it was looking stable. Yes, it was. And what else? Two of Wands again. So it was just looking stable to you or to them, and you were like, oh, let's get started with it, because the Page of Wands is telling me that a lot of enthusiasm was there in this thing, and you really wanted to just, that excitement mode. I really want to enter. Let's see what happens, but I'm not sure. But still, I'm entering. I'm not sure. So that energy, okay. So let's see, what is this Ace of Rods in your present energy? Ace of Rods. Why is the Ace of Rods over here? Why is the Ace of Rods over here, please? Six of Wands. Yes, because it was giving you some kind of success. For some of you, I don't know whether it's you or them, but there was some kind of attention which you were expecting, or they were expecting, that with this new connection I will get a lot of attention from the outside world as well. So it might be, for some of you, you might be the one who are really successful more than them, or they might be the ones who are really successful. So somebody entered in this relationship in your past energies. That is what I'm getting, just because of the one being more famous, because it's not looking like a really love connection. I don't know why, but it's more of using someone for something else. Let's clarify it more. What is the Six of Wands giving us? Why is the Six of Wands over here? Why is the Six of Wands? Queen of Cups, and okay, I'll take only one card because there are too many. Queen of Cups. So someone one of them was actually looking to the emotions, actually looking to the inner love which you had, either you or them. Someone was here who actually found that I love this person. Might be a Cancerian with whom you were dealing, or might be you having a Cancer in your chart, but the other person is seeing more of success which you have, or you might be the one. I don't know, but yes, it's not actually you both are not on the same page. That's how I can explain it really well. So let's see. Sorry. Let's see what is this Knight of Pentacles over here. Why is this Knight of Pentacles? Seven of Pentacles. One more card we have. And Five of Cups. So yes, someone is your okay, so this is, it's in the middle of the reading, it has come up. uh, Everything is stagnant, I'm seeing over here. No one is doing nothing, no work is going on, because with the Knight of Pentacles, this knight is just, he just sit over there, he don't do anything. He is a very lame. And with Five of Cups and Seven of Pentacles, it's more of a situation where uh, you are crying, you are waiting for that message, because whatever they wanted, they actually got it. If that was a strong passion towards you, an attention from someone else, from world, from anyone, I don't know, but it is whatever they wanted, they got it. And that is why you are now feeling helpless, because you gave your time, you invested your energy, your love, everything, and now it's you who are crying. Let's see what is the Seven of Wands in your future cards. Why is the Seven of Wands over here? Knight of Pentacles again. See, that person is not coming up, I'm seeing. Or if they will come also, they will come with a lame excuse, because Knight of Pentacles is just an excuser. He just comes and offer you this pentacle, and all he has to say is, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. And what else then? Why are you sorry now? Why did you do this to me? You are asking them. You are fighting for yourself. That what are you doing? Why did you do that? And all they have is sorry. Lame excuse they are giving. Let's see what else do they have other than sorry. The Chariot. You are not going to listen with the High Priestess, because your intuition is calling something really high. You have somewhere, because of the Queen of Cups, if you really have emotions with the Queen of Cups, Queen of Cups is more about the intuition as well, because she is really strong in her intuition. So if you have actually dealt with this person, that this person has come up to me for some kind of advantage or something, so I'm sad. You're telling yourself that yes, I'm sad, I'm crying, I'm the one who is waiting for the call, but when it will come, you are going to take your stand, because your intuition is really at the next level, and you are not going to listen to this person. That is what is this which you want? I'm not here to entertain you, because I want clarity. With the Ace of Swords, I'm not here to listen to your lame excuses. I want clarity. If you are coming towards me with a stable connection, with a stable offer, then it's fine. Otherwise, you can go. Let's see what else do we have for Ace of Pentacles over here. Anything else with the Ace of Pentacles, please? Eight of Swords. Alright. What else? What else do we have for Ace of Pentacles? No. Ace of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. Yes. So all you want is, if you are coming towards me, I'm really feeling that this person might even come to you, that give me another chance, because this is one more chance card. and like give me a second chance please. I will be a person who might be a Taurus with whom you are dealing with, or Capricorn. So I'm here for you. I'm going to please give me one more chance, but just make sure that you don't end up like this, like because of their excuses your eyes shall not be closed. Just hear them and ask for clarity. If you feel that no, this clarity is not enough, so that to get you another chance, just bye bye. All right, so let's see what this is. Ace of Swords, one card please. I really want to clarify what kind of clarity is coming your way. What is this Ace of Swords? Anything? The Sun. Alright, so it actually fell like this in reverse. So okay, so it is more of like, sometimes the Sun also takes some bad route. So I would say that the clarity will be there. It will, because sun's main work is to show the, put some reflection on what you are actually asking for. So sun is actually going to put some reflection. It is actually going to show the exact clear message to you. It's up to you whether you will actually find the answer from your intuition, because this person will say a lot of stuff, whatever that person can tell you, whatever lame excuse this person can give you. It's up to you. Alright, so what else do we have for my Sagittarius? Any other advice regarding the situation, please? Let's see. Alright, so let's see. Any other advice for my Sagittarius? The Hierophant. What else? Yeah, okay. The Hierophant, Nine of Cups, and the Temperance. I'm seeing that with this advice from the universe is telling you that everything will come into play, because if you're waiting for this message to come, it is going to come. Your wish is going to be fulfilled, but you really have to balance some things. If you really want to reconcile, it will happen. Whatever you want, it will happen, but find the exact answer first. Listen to yourself, go deep within yourself and find the answer. Whatever you need to know, you will get it through meditation. Do some yoga, do some spiritual guidance, ask someone to help you spiritually. That is how you are going to find some answers which you need to hear. Alright, so that's all, Sagittarius. That's all from my side. I hope it helps. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.